Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I've had all those live streams, so I'm going to go over my live stream lawn mower setup. Right on top here, you see I just have the little sticky mounts with the clips, GoPro Hero 9, and he is directly wired into the battery. It is underneath and wired right to the pins on the battery, and I use this step down board, which we're going to heat shrink today, to change it to 5 volts. It's got constant power, and a solar powered landscaping floodlight to give you light at night. So here we go, we're going to heat shrink that circuit board real quick, make sure it still works. Came up with this with a few trials and errors. The first one, I used to use the USB power in there and it seemed too unreliable. And then I trimmed that off so it wouldn't crimp so much on that. I don't want to cut it yet because it's still under warranty. Don't want to risk voiding that warranty. So now we're going to slip on this heat shrink tubing. This is 30 millimeter diameter heat shrink tubing. Just took a measurement of the largest area just to make sure it would fit. I'm going to slide this on here. Plug it back in. Before I heat shrink that down to make sure the camera still works. And it does. Alright, we're going to shrink this down. That shrunk pretty good. I expected the ends to be open. I plan on filling that with some silicone or the silicone rainproof putty. So there's a couple places to put this. First one is around this connection. This is the official GoPro waterproof connection, but better safe than sorry with some of the heavy rains we get here in Florida. But there you have it. It's a little bit longer than I expected, but this is attempt number 1 at heat shrinking this power bank or step down transformer. And the camera is still working. So inside here, I really had to wedge the battery in there to get it to stay. But essentially, took the negative and the positive, negative to the negative, positive to the positive, shoved it down at the bottom of the connector there. And then slipped it back in. See, it's pinching right there, but without voiding warranty, this is the best solution I've got at the moment. Works. Try and tuck all this down in here now. Quite a bit longer than it used to be. And I just trimmed the protective coating off of the wires there. That way it'll sit on the battery. Oh, it didn't quite slide in right. There we go. Now the battery locked in place. Try this again. There we go. Close it right down, locks in place so it's sealed. Lawn mower still turns on. Everything works perfect. Now the camera's got constant power, so if the mower does get stuck, it shuts down automatically after 20 minutes. Then I would lose the power using that USB port and the live stream would end. But now the live stream will continue even if the mower shuts off because it's right on the battery. So far like this, it's been working great. I'm still using the 2.4 gigahertz network because it seems to be the most widespread. I tried that 5 gigahertz one yesterday and it was an epic failure. Its range was horrendous, so I'll have to keep looking into that. But for the meantime, the 2.4 works great. The mower works great. Cuts through that grass, no problem. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.